Hello friends, my name is Raza Masood. Today we shall discuss about a topic that how we can scale a business. Friend, today's topic is very interesting and very important, and I hope you would like this video. So let's just start. First of all, I would request to please subscribe to my YouTube channel and click on the bell option as well so that my new videos can reach to you. So let's just start. Scale business. How we can scale a business, friend? Friend, if growth causes your company to stumble because of confusion, order failing through the cracks, insufficient staff, miscommunication, not enough manufacturing or delivery capacity, you are going to have unhappy customers. Basically, friend, scale business means, friend, if you are if you have some small business, for example, let's suppose you are running a business of food, for example, and you have a very small shop to run, for example. So friend, if just take it as an example, if you have a small shop which you are running for food, so you can manage it with one resource or two resource because your business is not very big. But let's suppose with the passage of time, after 4 years or 5 years, your business become huge, and your customers become large. So what happened at that moment, that you have to scale your business. Scale means that, friend, you have to increase your number of resources. You have to improve your that means your equipment. You have to improve your delivery should be improved, your operations should be improved, should be scaled. So scale means, friend, that means, friend, basically when your customers are increasing, so you have to scale your business as well. Scale means that you have to increase your resources, you have to make your operations better, you have to increase your delivery timelines. So that is basically the concept of a scale business. Now, how to scale the business? First of all, you have to evaluate and plan. That means, friend, that you have to evaluate that how much business you will be getting and how you can manage it. So first of all, evaluate your business, okay, then plan it accordingly, then find the money. Find the money means that, friend, scaling to business doesn't come free. Obviously, if you need hardware, for example, you need better computerized system, you need better software, for example, you need better mobile application, for example. So obviously all those things need money, okay, all those things need funds. So you have to plan that how will you get that money actually, how will you get that fund actually, okay. So you have to plan it accordingly. Then secure the sale. Secure the sale means that scaling your business obviously assumes you will sell more. Do you have the sales structure in place to generate more sales? Okay, so that means, friend, when you are going to scale your business, that means obviously means that you are increasing your sale actually. And sale, that means you have to secure it. Secure means that you have to make sure that you are increasing the sale, but at the same time your existing sales should not be affected. So that is the concept here. Then invest in technology. Invest in technology means, friend, there are nowadays many things are happening. For example, if you are working, if you are selling food, for example, you are on a shop, let's suppose, so you can integrate your system with any food mobile app. For example, for nowadays many apps available like Food Panda or other apps through which people can order the food online, and you can sell your stuff, so your food as well. Or you can invest in technology means that you can, for example, you can get a better software through which you can increase your sale. You can also invest in more in technology through which you can increase your sales, okay. Find a staff or strategically outsource. So that means, friend, whenever you are going to scale your business, so that means obviously that you have to improve, you have to increase your number of resources. This is very important. Okay, the other point, that means another point is also possible that you can outsource your business. Outsource means, friend, for example, if you have a mobile application, or if you are working on mobile application, for example, so you can give it to any other third party, and you can make a contract with him, for example, with some business contracts or terms and condition. So you are getting the business and outsourcing it to any other third party. This is another example, another concept. So basically our say scaling business means that either you have to increase your staff, your resources. Not only means that a staff means the human resource, it means hardware, software, other material as well, or you can outsource it to any other third party as well. So friend, thanks a lot for watching the video. I hope you like this video. If like, please share it with your friends and colleagues, and thanks for watching the video. Thank you, friends.